Hello there, it's Ellie here, and just thought I'd do a quick video for an update on my Timebucks earnings. And as you can see here, this week I have received $10.73, and these are all the payments that I've received from Timebucks, and this is the total that I have now been paid, $626.79, and the commission that I have received is just over $200. So this $200 or $210 I have received for doing nothing, really. I've received it from those people on my team who do any activity at all on Timebucks. So, it doesn't matter whether it's, just the simple ad clicks, or whether it's surveys, or whatever it is. I have received over $200 now, completely for doing nothing. And I receive money from, from my team every single week. And, so that is one of the reasons why I really love Timebucks. And I recommend it to absolutely everybody, because, not because I'm earning from it, but because the potential for earning with Timebucks is massive. And, I know that there's some people in the group who can't do surveys and that kind of thing. But to be honest with you, doing the surveys is really not the best way to earn from Timebucks. The best way to earn is from building your team. And, if you can get, 10 or 20 sort of active people on your team, then that's going to earn you a lot more and a lot faster than if you, are trying to do surveys and things like that. And, yeah, so I do recommend it to everybody. I love the site. There's lots and lots and lots and lots of things on here that you can actually do. I've started doing the push notification earning, whatever it's called. If I go back to the dash, no, actually it's to the earn tab. I've started doing, oops, I think it's here. Yeah, I've started doing these push clicks, and really all you need to do is to click on an ad. You'll get a pop-up that comes up on your screen whenever you register for it, and all you need to do is click on it, and it just takes you through to the Timebucks site, and you'll get paid. I probably get about, I don't know, maybe 10 or 20 push notifications come up, and it's just a single click whenever I am working online already. So all I do is click it, and that's it. Go back to what I'm doing. So yeah, I'm enjoying the push clicks, and definitely would recommend it to others. For those who don't either don't like to do the surveys, or can't do them because of where they live, there are other high level earnings available, like even apart from doing your team building. TikTok is you get paid for posting videos. I haven't actually set it up or anything because I don't use my phone. So if you do use your mobile phone, then you can have a check on the TikTok tab, and as it says here, you'll get a $1 bonus straight away, just for getting your page set up and doing your first post. So yeah, very easy way to add an extra $1 to your account. What else is there? The offer walls. There's loads of things that you can do in the offer walls. There's usually something, all of these different walls, there's usually something in some of the different walls. You might have different ones depending on where you live as well. There's usually something in there that everybody can do. Of course, doing the daily roll as well. I won, I mean, I win every day on here, but I won the 10 cents one. I think, was it yesterday or the day before? Oh, can't remember. Oh, there's somebody who's won £1 or $1. $1. You know, people win on this. There's another one, $1. People are winning on this every single day, and it fairly adds up, you know. So you might as well do that. What else is there? Of course, there's the sweepstakes as well. Just for logging in, just logging in to Timebucks means that you have the chance. Now, you're not going to be guaranteed to win, but you have the chance to win $250, $50, $30, and then there's several people win $10 and several people win $5. So, you know, just log in. There's my number of entries that I have. It's like having a lottery ticket. So I've now got 6,486 lottery tickets this week towards winning one of these prizes. I might win, I might not win, but, you know, I might as well enter as not. So, yeah, somebody has to win it. What else? I always do the content clicks. I need to do them yet today. So these are the ones that I do. And I tend to do a survey, or try to do a survey, on tap research. Just by clicking through on tap research, and it'll come up below the surveys that are available. This is something that I personally do. There's a nice highly paid one, so I'll click on that to open the tab. It opens up like this, and I literally just leave this tab open for maybe about 15 or 20 minutes, and if I get disqualified, then I tend to get maybe 40 or 50 cents just from getting disqualified from the survey. So that's something else. And you can get you get paid now on, I think actually most of the survey sites on Timebucks now. You get paid for getting disqualified from. So, you know, even if you can't complete them, then, you know, why not try and actually attempt a survey each day? It fairly adds up on your balance. Okay, so that's it from me, and hopefully you will have a go at Timebucks if you haven't already. And as I said, I know that for some people there's very little that they can do personally, so it might be just the content, you know, the ad clicks or whatever. In that case, all you need to do is work on getting other people to join in and do the ad clicks as well, and then you're going to be earning a lot more without doing any extra activities at all. So that's it for me, and yeah, get onto Timebucks, get earning. My $600 and odd that I have received from this site is the basis of how I now earn, oh, thousands every month. So yeah, try it and see. Take care now. Bye.